good morning from the day 6 of the Iceland expedition. Today, guess what? Sunrise didn't want to play ball. I think today is the most driving day. I think it's around 400 kilometers that we have to drive. So grab our coffees and let's go for another day.
This is day 6 of the Iceland Diaries series. If you're enjoying the journey, make sure to subscribe and let me know your thoughts in the comments.
Our first stop today is Godafoss. From this side it looks really good, but it might also look really good from the other side as well. So we're gonna set up the gear, take some photos here, move on to the other side, take some photos on the other side. We got something quite nice from this side. Since it rained a lot the last few days, the waterfall is quite strong, but it also makes the water far less blue than it would be if the water was calm. I've seen that from the other side I can either take photos from up there, but there's a lot of people down there, so it might be a different and quite interesting perspective as well. The sun is kind of opening up, so I'm going to move to the other side. Hopefully it opens up when I'm there and I manage to take a good photo from up there or even more down there.
Unlike Diaries, that we visited the day before, Godafoss is easy to access both sides with only a short walk. Each side has a completely different perspective of the falls. From the far side, we reached a higher viewpoint overlooking the waterfall with mountains in the background. Naturally, I stepped in the frame, using my orange jacket to add contrast and scale. The result, one of my favorite photos of the entire trip. We continue west towards Akureyri, the largest town in the north of Iceland. But before reaching it, I had to stop at a place a few people talk about. This isn't a massive waterfall or a famous photo stop. In fact, I didn't even use my camera here. All I needed were my water shoes and shorts. This is an open-air, hot waterfall where you can sit, soak, breathe, and watch the mountains and glaciers in the distance. Completely natural, completely free. And even though we had booked a lagoon experience, this felt more raw. This felt more Iceland. We met Alirio, who was flying his drone, and kindly shared some footage. So if you're watching this, thanks mate. And yes, that is a 40-meter drop with no protection. So definitely think twice before stepping in the water. With one bucket list moment checked off, next I wanted to find out what Iceland actually tastes like. Using the water from the waterfall, some Icelandic coffee beans, and a car water heater, I brewed a fresh cup of coffee right there. This stop wasn't about photography, it was about connection. Soaking in natural hot water, brewing coffee from glacier-fed streams, slowing down, and simply being present. A moment I won't forget. With that done, we continued west. The views were just too good not to stop. In Iceland, sometimes the road itself can be the destination.
Our next visit is to the oldest church in Iceland. It's quite a remote place. There's not a lot of tourists that come here because it is a 90-kilometer detour from the main route, the Route 1. But this is the oldest church in Iceland.
our way to the sunset location, we came across some horses, and with the weather finally opening up, the light was too good to ignore. Golden light behind them, dramatic sky above. What's one more quick stop anyway?
And here we are in the last location of our day 6. Today was a lot of driving, there wasn't a lot of different spots to photograph, but still the scenic was so good that we stopped many times to take photos along the way. I was kind of stuck, I didn't know where to go. And then I found this valley, but it really works because of the sun that's setting back there. Look at this light. When I tried setting up a photo here, put a tripod, didn't work, the bridge doesn't allow me to put a tripod. And then I included the sun from there. I was like, okay, this is starting to look good. So what if I go there? What if I just stand right there, right in the middle? Orange jacket wins again. Put a human element, show how big this place is, close to our insignificance, and how amazing this place looks like that. Usually when it comes down to sunset time, it's run, take photos, try to get the best light, try to get more photos. I think I'm gonna sit down and enjoy the sunset. That was a very, very lovely day. Another lovely day from this fantastic expedition. Tomorrow is one of the days that I'm most excited about. Honestly, is the day that we do the west-north coast. We got so much stuff going on tomorrow. Oh, this light is ridiculous. It's beautiful. So yeah, that's about it for today. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching again. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And drop a comment. Tell me what was the best location of the day. Share to a friend. And soon, very soon, there'll be more updates about the expedition to Iceland with me to take photos in the places that I've been to. So yeah, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.